Hi, this is Andrew Muir, Managing Director of Caprice Resources. Here at Caprice, we've been very busy on a number of fronts. We've just released our December quarterly report, as well as an announcement regarding the latest batch of drill results from our RC program. On the Island Gold project, we completed an 8,000 metre RC drill program between July and October last year. We've just received our second set of results from the program, returning some excellent grades and widths. Highlights included 9 metres at 4.7 grams per tonne, including 3 metres at 9.2 from Trig Gully, and 6 metres at 2.7 grams per tonne, including 2 metres at 6.2 from Baxter's. The RC program was very successful, helping to delineate an additional 4 high-grade mineralised gold zones on the island. We now have 7 such high-grade zones, most of which remain open at depth. Significantly, most drilling on the island is shallower than 100 metres. Looking forward, we'll have our first air core drill program starting in the next few weeks. This program will be testing the southern end of Lake Austin and will be the first drill program on our ground to drill through the lake sediments and test the underlying bedrock. We know from geophysics that the same structural orientation at Musgrove's nearby West Island prospect is present on our ground. This program will be very exciting to test these structures, which we see on our island, and carry on underneath the lake. Following the air core drilling, we look to undertake another round of RC drilling on the island, following up on the outstanding results from the 2021 program. This is likely to focus on the high-grade gold mineralisation intercepted to date to test for depth, extents, and continuity. At Cuddingwarra, which we acquired in the second half of 2021, we've undertaken a targeting study to assess the potential of the new tenement package. We examined the historical work to date, which includes soil sampling and drilling, as well as undertaking a geophysical and geological review. This study has identified 33 targets worthy of follow-up. Of these, we believe that 4 are drill ready, and we'll look to test these towards the middle of the year with our first air core program. Moving on to Northampton, we significantly expanded our footprint in the region last year, taking our ground holding to over 1,100 square kilometres. We recently undertook a brief reconnaissance survey over the new ground, inspecting the Ngaro project, the historical mine workings, as well as assessing accessible areas in the new ELAs. The survey gave us a good feel for the terrain and was very encouraging. We found many samples of galena sitting at surface in key locations. First pass work will involve geophysical assessment to refine our target areas before we look to get on the ground in the second half of the year. So 2022 is going to be a very busy year for Caprice, with a number of drill programs planned, including the Lake Austin Air Core, follow-up RC at the island, and first pass air core at Cuddingwarra. These programs will give us a strong start to the year and set up our exploration and news flow for a strong 2022. This is Andrew Muir for Caprice Resources.